Ito si Jimmy Boy. Dito, isang tingin lang, Jimmy Boy. Ito. Ayan. Dating taga-tuktukan.
Tuktukan.
Papapapaya ka na mag-video, tumulong ka.
Nagnanakaw ng itlog na kitip.
Ako na yan. Tumulong ka muna. Tulungan mo sila.
Magketong yan. Ano yan?
Ayun, siguro.
Ito, kanino? Baka yung puno na yan kasi pa dito sa box. Bye-bye! Ayun o, miss na yung aming ano.
No, it's okay. You're doing this. This is what you're doing when you travel.
Yeah.
Looks like this is hard. Right? Looks abstract to me, but it's hard. That's cute.
Yeah.
When you put a color in everything.
Ayan ang mga beauty nila, oh.
Yes.
Walang kupas.
Yes. Train.
Malapit na dumating. Malapit na dumating yung ating train. Bakit ang taas ng bababaan nyo?
Oo nga.
Yung ano yan?
PWD.
Oh. Klase dito ang sementeryo, ang ganda naman. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Ibang klase. Ang ganda niya. Iba-ibang flowers, fresh. Mga fresh flower to, no? Ang ganda naman dito, ang linis na, bulaklak pa. Colorful pa tong cemeterium to, no? Ibang klase. Yan.
Meron pa to sa behind ng ano na to ng chapel na yan, meron pang libingan doon. Tapos puro grapevine na.
Galing naman ito. Sana ganito rin sa Garden of Memory sa atin.
Wala nga akong ganong maano sa Garden of Memory.
The doors are closing. Please
Tayo papunta
stand
nito?
clear of the doors.
Ano na, sa airport to Las Vegas. Airport to Las Vegas.
Train.
Train kami papuntang airport to Las Vegas.
Maluwag pa siya. Tingin kayo, video kayo.
The next station is North Concord Martinez.
Goodbye San Francisco. Come back again.
Ayaw na nila.
Snap pa po sila din. Kaya ano siya. Isa siya masaya. This is San Francisco Airport. Train muna bago makarating sa airport.
Nakatatlong train na tayo.
Sa Las Vegas na kami.
Please hold on. Next stop is
May dala pa nga pamaypay eh.
Oh. Ayan, malawak yan. Hanggang doon niya sa likod. Ayan, dito na kami
Vegas
sa
na kami, Vegas. Airport.
Mababa lang ang aeroplano namin to. Here we are, the hotel. Ito ang hotel namin sa Vegas. Tanda. Grabe. Ang laki pa ng TV, oh. Yun. Ito yung kitchen. Ito may sariling yung sariling taguan ng mga gamit. Yan. Ito kitchen nila. Ito yung number namin. Yan. Yan. Ito yung pinaka dining. Kompleto. Tapos, pasok mo, kaliwa, yun ang kwarto. Ayan, o. Kwarto namin. May TV pa rin. Diyan talaga yung mga gamit namin.
Ito tayo eh.
Ito, CR. Wala na kaming tulugan. Ayan, o. Ang laki talaga. Ganda-ganda ng hotel namin. VIP. Hanggang dito na lang. Tutuloy. Mga kapamilya. Bago. Wala na dyan. Kama lang tayo dyan. Yan.
Wordmark in Las Vegas.
So, yan. Ito.
Nice and comfortable. Where y'all visiting from?
Morning.
Hi, where y'all visiting from?
Okay. Oh,
Philippines? Okay, nice to have you. Yeah, so front 3 seats, the last 3 seats, good morning. And then, so just got to fill in all the extra seats there.
Yan.
Dito ka para nakikita mo yung view.
Sis, yan na tabi mo sa mga
Okay.
Hotel is they're actually building a guitar-shaped hotel. So once that's finished, that guitar-shaped hotel will be the tallest building on the strip. Estimated completion date on that is about 2 years from now, 2027. The other big project going on right here on the left side, this is where the old Tropicana Resort was at. They closed their doors back in April of last year, and they brought those towers. They had 2 big towers there. They brought those down in October and started clearing that property. That right there is going to be the future home for the Las Vegas Athletics baseball team. They played their last season the year before last in Oakland, California. This season just finished up the regular season. They're playing temporarily right now in Sacramento, California. They'll play 1 more season at that temporary home before this stadium is ready for the 2028 season. Once that stadium is finished, that'll be going to be the very first Ferris wheel that they were going to build. About 15 years ago, that ended up falling out of contract, and they lost that contract, and so the company went bankrupt and had to walk away from that project. So they left those big 2 concrete pillars there for a few days. Is we're getting ready, setting up for the Las Vegas Grand Prix Formula One race. It takes place in about 5 weeks from now. They start setting up for that at about 3 months before that race starts. The race date for that is usually the third week of November, or just the week before Thanksgiving holiday. So pretty much take over the strip for about 4 days and pretty much build the racetrack right on the strip. So a lot of construction going on, especially down towards the center of the strip. It takes 3 months to set that up and about 3 months to tear it all down. So about 6 months out of the year, we're either building or tearing down a racetrack. So that's all the stuff that's going on right now on the strip. Speaking of the strip, we're coming up on the south end of the strip. Mandalay Bay is the southernmost hotel on the strip. The strip runs from Mandalay Bay in the south end all the way to the Strat on the north end. That's about a 4-mile stretch of hotels and casinos all the way through there. So a lot of people have attempted to walk that, but it's a little bit
30 minutes po tayo. 10 minutes. Welcome din. Nag-picture tayo din. Bakit tapos na sa
Oakley. Okay, yeah, I've heard of that. I used to live in Manteca, not too far. About an hour away or so.
I've been in your living room before, your TV. I've done some fun with you guys.
Yeah. But today in the Philippines. Happy birthday.
Wala no, happy birthday.
Ay, happy birthday. Sa Philippines, today is talaga birthday.
Happy birthday!
Yes, in the Philippines.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you.
Sing it along as well.
Dito. Oo, kain na tayo ngayon. Magkain na picture Oo nga.
So looks like you're going to be first. All right, so we can do a big group, we can do some individuals. What do you guys want to do?
Don't worry, we won't make fun of you until you leave.
How?
Where y'all from?
Paano kami popos?
Glad to have you, Miami. Welcome aboard. Hey, Elvis.
Wala natin din.
When that first game was turned up, yeah, we played great hockey and did win.
Won the first one and lost the second one.
Right.
And went the other way.
Right.
We'll take it.
How about that kid opening up the season with the
Cellphone naman dyan, ha?
Picture kay Elvis. Kay Elvis Presley. Pabibigyan natin.
Start the top representative to the nuclear testing in the desert. So we just had the anniversary of the ending of that project. 80 miles away, they would blow up the nuclear bombs. And if you want to put up something really cool, this nuclear reactor is what they were doing back in the late 50s.
Yung looking Elvis, ha? May kumares, looking Elvis.
Girl in her swimsuit and everything underneath of the nuclear bomb. She just missed nuclear
Oo, video to.
Nala ko nga.
So it was the second week of April 2018. I was out here doing a photo shoot. And the dust devils falling.
Iba naman tayo, sa iba na naman.
Ayan, kasi ba naman. Marami na. At least,
Ayan, ang pupuntahan namin, ano ba to? Doon lang ang pupunta. Haba no? Grabe haba, puro kargada. Walang katapusan, no? Haba-haba. Aray, wala sa ating ganyan, ano? Ha? Haba, oh. Isang pasa. Ha? Grabe, no? Haba-haba, oh. Walang katapusan. Mahaba na rin video ko dyan. Hindi matatapos.
Parang ano siya, artist. 1, 2, 3. Ano?
jump, jump.
1, 2, 3, jump! Hindi mo ako nag-jump ka.
Hindi na maka-jump.
Hindi mo ako naka-jump ka.
Kayo.
Tayo pa tayo kay Mare. Wala ka pang kuha, Mare. Kapag
Eto, may kuha sa akin yan. Magibaan nito, ah. Ang lalaki nito, oh. Oh.
Oh, yung malaki. Yan pink. Yeah, maganda yung pink.
Okay. Oh. Kamay, oh. Live. Okay. Ayan, oh. Ano to? Anong lugar to?
Seven Magic
Mountain.
Wow.
Ayan.
7 Magic Mountain. Yun, magic.
Thank you. Sa namin yung natitake home na tasty, tinapay.
Para may palaman.
Ano? Eh kaso, aalis na tayo, naka-headlight na, oh.
Dapat sa atin yung
Next time. Baka tayo maiwan, eh.
Ito, meron pa dito.